A Pakistani farmer essay in English. Pakistan is an agricultural country. Majority of population in our country lives in villages. There, agriculture is the common profession of the populace. In villages, most of the people are farmers for generations. In the past, method of cultivation was old and outdated. Now the typical feature of that culture is replaced by the new developments. Today's farmer hardly shares the characteristics of the farmer of a few decades ago. Nowadays the routine of a farmer's life is quite different. With the advent of modern machinery, he adjusted his schedule according to his modern way of life. The new techniques of cultivation offered him relaxation from tough regular routine. Anyhow, the nature of his job requires punctuality. A farmer gets up early in the morning and goes to his fields. Usually in the early hours, he ploughs the land with tractor. Throughout the day, he remains busy in tilling the fields, sowing seeds and reaping the crops. He also tends his cattle. The role of a farmer is a very crucial one in the economy of our country. In fact, he provides the whole population with food. Owing to his cultivation, the local populace gets fresh vegetables and fruit round the year. In spite of his useful contribution, the farmer is not satisfied with the outcome of his efforts. He often complains of low profits and much labor. Sugar mills do not pay him the price of sugarcane in time. Commission agents exploit him. Thus he remains deprived of the due reward of his labor and investment. Government gives the farmers interest-free loans, seeds, fertilizers, manure, tractors and other machinery. In spite of all this, they are of the view that government has a frozen attitude towards their affairs. Though there are many agricultural universities in the country, a common farmer is not educated enough to utilize the knowledge of agriculture to shape his farming on modern lines. No doubt, the new generation is getting the knowledge of cultivation and trying to keep pace with the advanced world. The need of the time is that the government should give subsidy to small growers. It should also encourage the young generation to acquire education in the discipline of agriculture so that they may be able to adopt modern methods of cultivation. The government should coordinate the agriculturists with the farmers so that they may benefit their expertise. Thank you, everyone, for watching my videos and sharing them with friends.